Hi guys, Parker from Veurink's RV Center here again in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Just reminding you about our Take Your Family Across America sale for June. Absolutely amazing deals going on with travel trailers, fifth wheels, and motorhomes. We have our move up program going on too for trade-ins, paying top dollar right now. Give us a call for more information on that. Right now what I'm gonna do is go through 3 different floor plans in my Durango Gold luxury fifth wheels from KZ RV and give you the top 3 reasons why to buy each floor plan. We're gonna start with the one right here behind me. It's a brand new 385 FLF. It's a 5-slide front living that is just amazingly laid out with a lot of great features to it. My number 1 reason to buy it is gonna be not only do you have a gorgeous master bathroom in the back with plenty of space, huge shower and a ton of storage, but you also have a half bath that's located in the kitchen area. You're gonna love that when you have some guests over and whatnot, and you don't want people tracking all the way throughout the fifth wheel just to go in real quick. It's gonna be right inside the door, very easy to get to, keeping the trailer a lot cleaner for you too. Second reason is gonna be the kitchen. If you're somebody who likes to entertain and you like to meal prep and whatnot, you're gonna love this kitchen. We loaded up with dishwasher. You have plenty of countertop space with the Peninsula, plenty of spots to put things, and a lot of storage too. Third reason has to be the front living area. Absolutely amazing. These Durango Golds are 101 inches wide, so it's gonna give you plenty of space up there to sit around, talk, catch up, or watch movie at night and whatnot. Plenty of seating as well. All right, moving on to our next Durango Gold here, we have our 382 MBQ, an amazing midship bunkhouse layout with a drop-down patio back here, which is actually my number 1 reason to buy this. This is a great space to have the kids kind of just run around and be kids. If you have a couple dogs, you don't want them wandering off, this is a great spot for them too. Or if you just want to sit out and relax and not have to sit on the ground and stuff, great spot for it. You do have an awning that'll come out here and some outside speakers as well, which I'm sure you can hear. And my second reason is gonna be the mid-bunk house. It's really nice. If you want a home away from home office, that's a perfect spot for it too. But as far as sleeping kids, if you want to take the whole family with you, plenty of sleeping space. You actually have a loft up top too. That is a fun area to sleep. That is vented with the AC too, so it'll stay nice and cool for you. Third reason is gonna be the 2-year warranty that Durango Golds come with. It's a 2-year full-time living warranty. KZ is so confident in their product that they're gonna give you an extra year warranty over most manufacturers out there and say that you could live in it full-time and they're still gonna stand behind their product, which is pretty amazing in the RV industry, and we're proud to be a KZ dealer. All right, now on to our final Durango Gold of this series. We're gonna have the 381 REF. It's a rear den 5-slide unit, amazing layout. First reason is gonna be that rear den. Plenty of space back there, storage. Even though it is a rear entertainment, they still give you a couple of small windows on the side so you can get some nice view and some nice natural light in. There is a second door there as well. So if you wanna go in and out of the camper, you can do that with ease too. Second reason is gonna be your patio space. You actually have 2 awnings here, one of them being a really nice size here and then another one in between that slide there. Plenty of space to kind of plan out if you want to put picnic tables, if you like to entertain people and have them on over, if you're gonna watch a football game or tailgate or something, this is perfect for that too. Third reason, and this goes for all the Durango Golds, is the construction. It's one of the best built fifth wheels out there. You're gonna have a lot of nice features such as 6-point automatic hydraulic leveling system. It's a 100% 6-side aluminum frame. They use the best fiberglass in the industry. It's gonna last longer, shine better, and hold up over time with elements as well. You're gonna have a fully painted front cap, not just partially painted, fully painted. One of my favorite things, it's one of the, KZ likes to put their money into things you can't see as far as the construction and the quality of it. And behind every interior cabinet, they put an EGS metal strip back there to help hold up the interior cabinet. So over time, those things are gonna last you long, and it's just a fifth wheel built to last for you. So if you have any questions about anything at all or more information, give me a call and stop and visit us at Veurink's RV Center.